Adventure Community Post Channel Update number 55. Today we are in the Wirral, where we've been for a few days doing some filming for the channel. We're overlooking here, we're looking over to the River Mersey, where it meets the Liverpool Bay and the Irish Sea. Over here we have Bootle, on this side over there we have Liverpool. Next video will be published as a premiere at 8 AM on Saturday the 25th of November 2023, and that is the third part of my mini-series Just Off the Towpath. And for that video I took the Bertie the bike to the village of Olrewas and had a really good look round at the facilities there. So join me for the premiere showing of that video at 8 AM on Saturday the 25th of November 2023. So thank you very much for all your support, and as usual, do take care.